Hello, my name is Teresa Graves, and I am going to walk you through a tutorial on how to set student goals in Accelerated Reader. The first thing that you do is you log on to your Accelerated Reader page going through Renaissance Learning Place, and you see two orange boxes, and you want to click the independent reading portion, and you go up to Record Books and Goals, and you click on that. This screen appears and it has the classes on it that you teach, and I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade ELA, so I will select my 7th grade class. And once I have selected it, I go down to Reading Practice Goals, and I click on it. The first thing that you do on this page is you need to go over to Select Marking Periods. And it says that I do not have any selected for this class. So these are all the available marking terms that I have to select, and I will do marking period 4 since that is currently the period that we are working in, and you click Save. Now, it takes you to this page. There's a couple ways that you can do this. If you want all of your students to have the same percentage correct goal and the same minutes of daily reading, you can simply go right into this area and put your information in and hit Update All Students, and it will appear for you. But if you would like to go in and adjust for the students based upon their reading level, or if perhaps they have an IEP, you can do that as well. So let me walk you through this very quickly. This area tells me my test date. So since I'm in the 4th marking period, I want to go down to the last test that they took, which was April 4th. And from there, I want to go over and I want to set my average percent correct. Now, again, like I said, based upon the students' personal goals, this is where you would want to pick the percent correct. It can range anywhere from 85 to 90%. 85 being the lowest to receive credit for passage. After you click that, you want to go over to the daily reading time, and that ranges anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes. And since I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I generally make them read about 30 minutes. It calculated for me the amount of points that he would need to earn in the 4th quarter, which is 19.9. Then the next thing you need to go over and do, or would be a good idea if you did, was to pick their book level. This ensures that students will not be able to receive points that are out of their ZPD, meaning that they're reading books that are way below their reading level, which they love to do to get their quick points in for the quarter. So you go over here and you look at their suggested ZPD, which is Zone of Proximal Development, and his grade equivalency is 5.2. And they're saying that he is 3.1 to 4.7. So obviously I would set that ZPD a little higher because the ZPD is really not in sync yet with the grade equivalent. Usually the general rule of thumb is it goes up or down 1 grade level. So since he's at 5.2, I will put his goal at 5.2. And I have him all set and ready to go. So the only thing that I need to do is go down and click Save. And it should pop up in a minute. My laptop is lagging a little bit. You click OK, that you want to make the saves. And if you go back in and you check, Alexi has his settings in Accelerated Reader, and you just continue to do that for each student. I hope the tutorial was helpful. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.